Oh my god, I have said God bless you in 195 languages. Welcome. I appreciate that you are here. Good job. Great job. 195 countries, 195 countries, 195 languages, and I'm going to say God bless you in 195 languages. So, let's dive in. 1. Afghanistan, Pasto. Pasto. I'm going to say God bless you. May God bless you. Have healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. So, 1. Afghanistan, Pashto. Khuda de Tal, Tasso, Tarog, Shatman of Khusala, Zund, Darkri. 2. Albania, Albanian. Joti you Bekofte me Ninze Jete te Shendets me te Pasur Dhete Lumtur Pergimone. 3. Algeria, Arabic. Barakallahu Fik Bihayat Shia Waghania Vasa Ida Ila Al Abad. 4. Andorra Catalan. Fourth country, Andorra. Fourth country, Andorra. Que diu it benexi amb una ved. Una vida sana prospera. I feliz per sempre. Per sempre. Fifth country. Fifth country, Angola. 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 Fifth country, Angola. Quede usted aben so e com uma vida saudável prospera e feliz para sempre. Sixth country, Antigua and Barbuda. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy. This is English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. Seventh country, Argentina, Spanish. Que Dios te bendiga con una vida sana, prospera y feliz para siempre. Eighth country, Armenia. Armenia. Tok Astbats Kez Orhni Arogi Bareketsik Yerjanik Kiankov Havitian. Ninth country, Australia. English, Australia. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy and a happy life forever. 10th country, Austria. Moge got dich für immer mit inem gesunden Wohlhabenden und glücklichen Leben segen. 11th country, it's fun. 11th country, Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan. Allah seni hemise saglam verli ve zos bext bir hayatla korusun. 12th country, Bahamas. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. It's English. 13th country, Bahrain, Arabic. Barakallahu fik. Bahrain in Arabic. Barakallahu fik bihayat. Sihiya wa ghaniya wasa ila al abad. 14th country, Bangladesh in Bengali. ঈশ্বর আপনাকে চিরদিন সুস্থ সমৃদ্ধ ও সুখী জীবন দান করুন. 15th country, Barbados in English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. 16th country, Belarus in Belarusian. Actually, Belarus is it's off. Come on. Okay. In Belarusian, Niakhai Boh Blahaslavitz Vas Zdorovim Zamoznim I Shastlivim Zitsyom Nazauzdi. Yeah. 17th country, Belgium, in Dutch. Okay. Mokhe God vor altet Zekhenen met in Gezont well warrant in Galuk kick 11. 18th country, Belize, in English. May God bless you with healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. Okay. 19th country, Benin in French. Que Dieu vous bénisse d'une vie prospère et heureuse pour toujours. 20th country, it's a milestone. We have arrived 20th country, Bhutan. In Dzongkha. Okay, language. Kunchok Gikhiye Latak Tu De Thang Chokpo Kid Potse Kyal Var Jin Lapnang Show. 21st country, Bolivia, Spanish. In Spanish language. Que Dios te bendiga con una vida sana, próspera, feliz para siempre. 22nd country, Bosnia and Herzegovina. Bosnian in Bosnian. Neka te Bog Blagoslovi Zdravim Bogatim I Stretnim Zivotom Zau Viek. 23rd country, Botswana, in English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. 24th country, Brazil, Portuguese. Que de us te eben soe com uma vida sa uda vel prospera y feliz para siempre. Brunei, 25th country, Brunei in Malay. Semoga Tuhan mem berkati anda dengan kehidupan yang sehat, Murdan Bahagia se la Mania. 26th country, Bulgaria. In Bulgarian, Neka Bogvi Blogoslovi Sas Zdrav Bogat I Stansliv Zivot Zavinagi. 27th country, Burkina Faso. In French, Que Dieu vous bénisse d'un Vicen prospère et heureuse pour toujours. 28th country, Burundi. In Kirundi, Imana Igu He Ubu Zima Bwiza Ubutunzi Ni Baisi Mo Iteka Riose. 29th country, Cambodia. Khmer. Priya Chia Matches Som Prodan Porai Anak Min Chivit Min Sok Phib Trop Sombat Neng Sok Phik Mongkol Chiring Rohot. 30th country, Cameroon. In French, Cadio vous bénisse d'un Vicen prospère et heureuse pour toujours. 31st country, Canada. In English, may God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. Okay. 32nd country, Central Africa Republic. In French, Que Dieu vous bénisse d'un Vicen prospère et heureuse pour toujours. 33rd country, Chad. In Arabic, Barakallahu Fik Bihayat Shia Waghania Wasa Ida Ila Al Abad. 34th country, Chile. In Spanish, Que Dios te bendiga con una vida sana, próspera y feliz para siempre. 35th country, China. Mandarin Chinese. Yongshangin, Yangkang, Fuzhou, Xingfu, Rensheng. 36th country, Colombia. In Spanish, Que Dios te bendiga con una vida sana, próspera y feliz para siempre. 37th country, Comoros. In Arabic, Barakallahu Fit Bihayat Sihiya wa Ghania Basaida Ila Al Abad. 38th country, Costa Rica. In Spanish, Que Dios te bendiga con una vida sana, próspera y feliz para siempre. 39th country, Croatia. In Croatian, Neka te Bog blagoslovi zdravim bogatim I sretnim životom zau vi yek. 40th country, Cuba. In Spanish, que Dios te bendiga con una vida sana, próspera y feliz para siempre. In 41st country, Cyprus. In Greek, O Theos na se evlogi me igi plousia kai eftichismeni zoe gia panta. 42nd country, Czechia in Czech. At Vambo Poze Nazdra Bim Bohatim a Stast Nimzi Votem Navz D Adai. 43rd country, Denmark. In Danish, Mo good well seen Die made it sundet rigged og leak ke lit live for altitude. 44th country, Djibouti Arabic. Barakallahu fit bihayat Shia wa Ghania Wasaida ila al-Abad. 45th country, Dominica. In English, may God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. Okay. 46th country, Dominican Republic. In Spanish, que Dios te bendiga con una vida sana, próspera y feliz para siempre. 47th country, Ecuador. In Spanish, que Dios te bendiga con una vida sana, próspera y feliz para siempre. 48th country, Egypt. In Arabic, Barakallahu fit bihayat Shia wa Ghania Wasa ida ila al-Abad. 49th country, El Salvador. In Spanish, que Dios te bendiga con una vida sana, próspera y feliz para siempre. 50th country, Equatorial Guinea. In Spanish, que Dios te bendiga con una vida sana, próspera y feliz para siempre. Wow. Dude, ladies and gentlemen, 50th country done. Now, 51st country, Eritrea. In Tigrinya, Exia Bher Lezalalem Tenam Habtam na Destegna Hivot Ibark. 52nd country, Estonia. In Estonian, Yumal Nistagu Sind Terve Yoka ya on ne liku elu ga iga westi. 53rd country, Eswatini. In Swati, Enkulungkulu Akubusise Ingempi, Lo, Enle, Lengchebo, Ne, Bonenza, Buloku, Zekube, Phakare. Great. 54th country. 54th country, Ethiopia. In Amharic, Exabher, Hulgize, Tenama, Baletegana, Destegna, Hivot, Ibarka. Once more. Exabher, Hulgize, Tenama, Beletegana, Destegna, Hivot, Iebark. 55th country, Fiji. In English, may God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. 56th country, Finland. In Finnish, Jumala siu natkun sinua tervila vaura la ya onne lisel laela mal lai kui sesti. Yes. 57th country, France. In French, que Dieu vous bénisse d'une vie saine, prospère, rose pour toujours. 58th country, Gabon. In French, que Dieu vous bénisse d'une vie saine, prospère, et rose pour toujours. 59th country, Gambia. English, may God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. 60th country, Georgian. Ghertma, Daglotsos, Zamteli, Mdivari, Da Bedneri, Skovrebit, Mudam. 61st country, Germany. In German, Moge Gott dich für immer mit einem gesunden Wohlhabenden und glücklichen Leben segnen. 62nd country, Ghana. In English, may God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. 63rd country, Greece. In Greek, O Theos na se evlogi me igi plosia kai eftis chismeni zoigia panta. Okay. 64th country, Grenada. English, may God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. 65th country, Guatemala. In Spanish, que Dios te bendiga con una vida sana, prospera y feliz para siempre. 66th country, Guinea. French, again did that. Okay. Guinea in French, que Dieu vous bénisse d'une vie saine, prospère et heureuse pour toujours. 67th country, Guinea. Guinea, Bissau, Portuguese. Que usted abençoe e com uma vida saudável, próspera e feliz para sempre. Okay. Sixty-eighth country, Guyana, in English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. 69th country, Haiti, in Haitian Creole. Bond ben e o ak yon laviki and sant rich akon tan pau tout tan. 70th country, Honduras, Spanish. Que Dios te bendiga con una vida sana, próspera y feliz para siempre. Spanish. 71st country, Hungary, in Hungarian. Ich den Aldion meg egesh shegesh gosdog es bulldog eletel uruke. Seventy-second country, Icelandic. Okay, in Icelandic. Oh, Iceland, in Icelandic. Okay, Gud bless thig mit heil breakthrough rikulegu og ha min gia sumulifi at elifu. 73rd country, India, in हिंदी. भगवान आपको सदा स्वस्थ, समृद्ध और खुशहाल जीवन का आशीर्वाद दे, हमेशा सदा. 74th country, Indonesian. Semoga Tuhan memberkati Anda dengan kehidupan yang sehat, makmur dan bahagia selamanya. 75th country, Iran, in Persian. Okay. 75th country, Iran, in Persian. Khodavand Shoma Rahimish ba Zindagi Salem Sarvatmand Vashad Barakat Dahad. 76th country, Iraq, in Arabic. Barakullahu Fit Bihayat Shia Vaghania Vasa Ida Ila Al Abad. 77th country, Ireland, in Yiddish. Go Mebianai Dia Dia, Duit Saul, Slantioil, Saivir, Agus Sonago, Dio. Okay, again. Go Mia Ni Dia, Ditch Seal, Sloan Chul, Savag Agus Sunna Gozo. In 78th country, Israel, in Hebrew. In Hebrew. Yehi Ratson Shi Ha El Viverich Ocha Bechiaim Brim Eshirim Ul Umusarim La at 79th country, Italy, in Italian. Che di oti bene dica kun una. Oh. Una vita sana pros. Una vita sana. Prospera e felice per sempre. 80th country, Jamaica, in English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. 81st country, Japan, in Japanese. Kamiga anata in anat. Okay. Kamiga anata ni genko de yutaka de shiawase Jinsei Oien ni Shukufuku Shimasu Yoni. Okay, great. Yes. 82nd country, Jordan, in Arabic. Barakallahu fit bihayat Shia Vaghania Vasaida Ila Alabad. 83rd country, Kazakhstan, in Kazakh. Kudai Sizge Erkashan Deniso Beizagna Beketi Omer Bensin. 84th country, Kenya, in Swahili. Mungu akubariki kwa maisha iniye afaya utajirina furaha milele. '85th country, Kiribati, in English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. Okay. 86th country, Kuwait, in Arabic. Barakallahu fit bihayat Shia wa Ghania wa Saida ila al-Abad. 87th country, Kyrgyzstan, Kyrgyz. Kudai Sizge Deime Den Soluktu Baijana Baktiolu Omur Bersin. 88th country, Laos, in Laos. So in Lao language, Kohei Pra Chao Uai Phon Hai Than Misi Vitti Misukha Phap Mang Khang Lai Mi Kwam Suk Talot Pai. Wow. Yes. 89th country, Latvia. In Latvian. Lai Dievs use Sveti Arveseli Gu Bagatu Un Laimi Gu Dzivi Mutzigi. Great, yes. 90th country, Lebanon. In Arabic, Barakallahu fit bihayat Shia wa Ghania wa Basaida ilal al-abad. 91st country. Come on, guys. Yes. Come on. 91st country. Lesotho. In Sesotho. Moli Moao Honolo Fatse Ka Bophello Bo Botle Maruo Lethabo Kahosa Felling. Yes. One more time. Molimo Ao Holo Honolo Fatse Ka Bophello Bobotle Maruo Le Thaboka Hosa Feleng. 92nd country, Liberia. In English, may God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. Okay. 93rd country, Libya. Arabic. Barakallahu fit bihayat Shia wa Ghania Vasaida ila al-abad. 94th country, Liechtenstein. In German, Moge Gott dich für immer mit ihnen gesunden Wohlhabenden und glücklichen Leben segnen. Okay, yes. 95th country, Lithuania. In Lithuanian, Tegul Dievas Tave Palaimina Sveiku Turtingu Ir Laimingu Givenimu Anzinai. 96th country, Luxembourgish. Gott soll dich für immer mit ingem gesunden reichen a glückliche Leben blessren. 97th country, Madagascar. In Malagasy. Andri Amana try Andri Amanitra Anie Heitahi Anao Aminin Fiainana Salama Manang Karena Ari Sambatra Mandakizai. 98th country, Malawi. In English, may God bless you. May God bless you. Have a with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. 99th country, Malaysia, in Malay. Semoga Tuhan memberkati Anda dengan kehidupan yang sehat, makmur dan bahagia selamanya. 100th country, Maldives. In Dhivehi, Allah Amin, Tieba Sahatharu Malumatai Ufahdaru Hayatein. Great, that's a milestone. 100 countries. Yes. 100 countries completed. Yes. Can we complete it continuously? Let's see. 101st country, Mali, in French. Que Dieu vous bénisse, Dieu sen prospère ou heureuse pour toujours. 102nd country, Malta, in Maltese. Allah's beer cake bezhaza basahita sinjurau fernana ghal dejem. 103rd country. 103 country. Marshall Islands. In English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. 104 country. Mauritania in Arabic. Barakallahu fit bihayat sihiya wa ghaniya wa saida ila al-abad. Oh, come on. 105th country. Mauritius, in English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. 106th country, Mexico, in Spanish. Que Dios te bendiga con una vida sana, próspera y feliz para siempre. 107th country, Micronesia, in English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. 108th country, Moldova, in Romanian. Dumnezeu să te binecuvânteze cu viața sănătoasă, prosperă și fericită pentru totdeauna. Yes. 109th country, Monaco, in French. Que de vous okay. Que Dieu vous bénisse d'une vie saine, prospère, heureuse pour toujours. 110th country, Mongolia, in Mongolian. Burkhan Tande rule Bayan as Jargaltai Amjdal Igud Ivieg. 111th country, yes. Come on. Montenegro. In Montenegrin. Nekatebog Blagoslovi Zdravim Bogatim I Sretnim Zivotam Zauvijek. 112th country, Morocco, in Arabic. Barakallahu fit bihayat Shia wa Khania wa Saida ila Alabad. Wow. Yes. 113th country, Mozambique, Portuguese. Quede usted abençoe uma vida. Saudável, próspera y feliz para siempre. 114th country, Myanmar. In Burmese. Buyatha Khin Kathingo Kianma Chanthapi Pyamswim Thabavavgo Hathanvaya Kaungchi Perse. In 115th country, Namibia, in English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. Okay. I've completed 115th country. Now 116th country, Nauru, in English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. 117th country, Nepal, in Nepali. भगवान ले तपाईन लाई सदाई स्वास्थ्य समृद्धा र खुशी जीवन प्रदान गरून्. Yes. 118th country, Netherlands, in Dutch. Moche God je war eltet zekhenen mit ihn gesund welvarend in Gelukokik leven. Great. Yes. 119th country, New Zealand, in English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. 120th country, Nicaragua, in Spanish. Que Dios te bendiga con una vida sana, próspera y feliz para siempre. Yes. 121st country, Niger, in French. Qua Deus benices dune viesene prosperate hiuriuse por tousauso. Yes. 122nd country, Nigeria, in English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. Okay. 123rd country, North Korea, in Korean. Hananimkesyo Dangshie Ge Gyeonga Ho Gubuha Myo Hangbok. Okay. Hangbok Han Salmul Yongwon Hee Chukbok Ha Shigil Baram Nida. Okay, once more. 123rd country, North Korea, in Korean. Okay. Hanan Hananimketio Dangsiege Gyeongang Hogo Byoha Myo Hangbok Hamsalmul Yengwon He Chukbok Hashi Gil Baramnihida. Okay. 124th country, North Macedonia. In Macedonian. Bog Nekata, Blagoslovi, Sozdrav, Bogat, Istrekian, Zivot, Jaksekogash. Okay. 125th country, Norway. In Norwegian. Yes. Magud Velsine. Deg med et sunt. Rikt og. Likelig. Live for altitude. 126th country, Oman, in Arabic. Barakallahu fit bihayat Shia Vaghania Vasaida ila al abad. Yes. 127th country, Pakistan, in Urdu. Allah आपको हमेशा सेहतमंद, खुशहाल और खुशगवार जिंदगी अता फरमाए. 128th country, Palau, in English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. One 129th country, Panama. In Spanish, que Dios te bendiga con una vida sana, próspera y feliz para siempre. One 130th country, Papua New Guinea, in English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. 131st country, Paraguay, Spanish, in Spanish. Que Dios te bendiga con una vida sana, próspera y feliz para siempre. 132nd country, Peru, in Spanish. Que Dios te bendiga con una vida sana, próspera y feliz para siempre. 133rd country, Philippines, in Filipino. Pagpalain Kanawang Dioseng Malusog Masaganaat Masayang Bobuhay Magpakailanman. Yes. 134th country, Poland, in Polish. Niech Bóg błogosławi si zdrowim, bogatym i szczęśliwym życiem na zawsze. Yes. 135th country, Portugal, in Portuguese. Que Deus te abençoe com uma vida saudável, próspera e feliz para sempre. 136th country, Qatar. In Arabic, Barakallahu, Barakallahu, Fik Bihayat, Shai Sihiya wa Ghania, Vasaida ila Al Abad. 137th country, Romania. In Romanian, Dumnezeu sate vinecchiu vanteze quo veiese sănătoasa, prospera și fericită pentru totdeauna. Yes. 138th country, Russia. In Russian, Pust Bogblagoslovit vas zdorovoi, bogatoi, ai счастливой жизнью навсегда. Yes. 139th country, Rwanda. In Kinyarwanda, Imana Iguhe Ubuzima Viza Abutunzi Bishimoi Teka Ryose. Yes. 140th country, Saint Kitts and Nevis. English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. 141 country, 141st country, Saint Lucia. In English, may God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. Again, it's hat-trick coming in English. That is 142 country, Saint Vincent and the Grenadines. In English, may God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. Para siempre. Okay, 143rd country, Samoa. In Samoan, Lafa Amauia Leatua. Iato oe ile soifua maloloina tamao agyaga male fia e fa avavao. Wow. Yes. 144th country, San Marino. In Italian. Che Dio te benedica con una vita sana, prospera felice per sempre, prospera e feliz per siempre, per sempre. 145th country, Sao Tome and Principe. In Portuguese, que Deus ta abençoe com uma vida saudável, próspera e feliz para sempre. One 146th country, Saudi Arabia. In Arabic, Barakallahu fit bihayat sihiya waghania vasaida ila al abad. 147th country, Senegal in French. In French, ladies and gentlemen, it's 147th country reached milestone. Yes, I've completed. Come on, go ahead. 147th country, Senegal, French. In French, que Dieu vous bénisse d'une vie saine, prospère et heureuse pour toujours. 148th country, Serbian, in Serbian. Nekatebog, Bologoslovi, Blagoslovi, Zdravim, Bogatim, I Srencim, Zivotom, Zauvek. 149th country, CHLS in English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. 150th country, Sierra Leone in English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. Yes, I've completed 150th country. In time means 1 hour. It is 1 hour total now. Okay, 151st country, Singapore in English. Again at it. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. 152nd country, Slovakia in Slovak. Nek vas boh Poze Nazadra Neshvabo Pozehna Zdravim Pohatiam Astastrim Zivotom Navzdi. Yes. 153rd country, Slovenia in Slovenia. Najvasbog Blagoslovi Zdravim Bogatim in Srencnim Zivlenzem Zavendo. 154th country, Solomon Islands. Solomon Islands in English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. Okay, let's go. Okay. 155th country, Somalia in Somali. Ilahai Haku Barakio Nolol Kafimad Le Hodan Faxad Le Veligid. Okay, yes. 156th country, South Africa in English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. Yes. 157th country, South Sudan in English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. Yes. 158th country, Spain in Spanish. Que Dios te bendiga con una vida sana, próspera y feliz para siempre. Yes. Amen. 159th country, Sri Lanka in Sinhala. Devian Obata Sada Saukia Vat Sampanna Hasat Huta Diaka Jivityak Ashirvada Karathava. Yes. 160th country, Sudan in Arabic. Barakallahu fit bihayat sihiya wa ghaniya wa saida ila Alabad. 161st country, Suriname in Dutch. Moche Godie war altet Zekhenen mit ihn gesandt welvarent in Gelukik leven. Yes, in 162nd country, in Sweden. 162nd country, Sweden in Swedish. Mogul Magud Velsigna Digmed Ethelsomt Richt och likely for alltid. Yes, in 163rd country, Switzerland in German. Okay, Switzerland. Moge Gott dich für immer mit ihnen gesunden wohlhabenden und glücklichen Leben segnen. 164th country, Syria in Arabic. Barakallahu fit bihayat sihiya wa ghaniya wa saida ila Alabad. In 165th country, Tajikistan in Tajik. Khudo sumoro हमेशा वो जिंदगी सलीम सरबतमंद व खुशबख्त बरकत दिहाद. Great. Yes. 166th country, Tanzania in Swahili. Mungu akubariki kwa maisha yenye 166th country, Tanzania in Swahili. Mungu akubariki kwa maisha yenye afya, utajiri na furaha milele. 167th country, Thailand in Thai. Ko prashao wipao haikun mi chivit thimi sukhapad mankhang lai mi kwam suk talot pai. 168th country, 168th country, Timor-Leste in Portuguese. Que Deus te abençoe com uma vida saudável, próspera y feliz para siempre. Yes. 169th country, Togo in French. Que Dieu vous bénisse d'un vie prospère et heureuse pour tous jours. 170th country, Tonga, in Tongan. Ofakatapuaki, Koehi, Tuaki, Hamauyale, Lei, Koloa, Mofie, Fiata, Engagata. Yes. 171st country, Trinidad and Tobago, in English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. Okay. 172nd country, Tunisia, in Arabic. Barakallahu fit bihayat sihiya wa ghaniya wa saida ila Alabad. Yes. 173rd country, Turkey, in Turkish. Tanrisizi Sonsuza Dek Sauluklu Zenging ve Mutlu Birye Shamla Kutsasin. 174th country, Turkmenistan, in Turkmen. Hudaysi Zihemis Sagdin by Vibagtli Durmus Bilen Bereketlandersin. 175, Tuvalu, English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. 176th country, Uganda, in English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. 177th country, Ukraine, in Ukrainian. Nekhai Bao Blahoslovit Vas Zdorovim Zamodzhim Ai Shastlivim Zityam Nazavdi. Yes. 178th country, United Arab Emirates, in Arabic. Barakallahu fit by bihayat sihaya wa ghaniya wa saida ila al-abad. 179th country, United Kingdom, UK, in English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. Okay. 180th country, United States, English, in English. USA, in English. May God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. Yes. 181st country, Uruguay, in Spanish. Que Dios te bendiga con una vida sana, prospera y feliz para siempre. 182nd country, Uzbekistan, in Uzbek language. Kudo, Sizga, Doimo, Soglom, Voiva, Baktli, Hayot Bersin. Yes. 183rd country, Vanuatu, in Bislama. God bless him. God bless him you with him health. Good fella life, more glad life all time. Yes. 184th country, Vatican City. Vatican City. In Latin, Deus te benedicat vita sana opulenta et felici in aeternum. 185th country, Venezuela. In Spanish, que Dios te bendiga con una vida sana, próspera y feliz para siempre. Yes. 186th country, Vietnamese. In Vietnamese, Cao Chua Bang Phuoc Choban Mot Kuok Song Khoi Men Yao Kowa Han Phuk Mai. Wow. Yes. 187th country, Yemen. In Arabic, Barakallahu Fik Bihayat Sehiya Va Ghania Vasa Ida Ila Alabad. In 188th country, Zambia. In English, may God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. 189th country, Zimbabwe. In English, may God bless you with a healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. 190th country, come on guys, come on ladies and gentlemen, going to be completed, come on. 190th country, Côte d'Ivoire. In French, Côte d'Ivoire. Que Dieu vous bénisse douine vie saine prospère et heureuse pour tous. 191st country, State of Palestine. In Arabic, Barakallahu fit bihayat sihiya wa ghania wasaida ila alabad. 192nd country, South Africa. In Afrikaans, may God Yov seen met ugesondev velvarenden en gelukige kegegle viveiltid. Okay, again. 192nd country, South Africa. In Afrikaans, may God Jausin mitten gesonde velvarende en gelukige live with altid. Yes. 193rd country, South Africa. In isiZulu, unkulunkulu. Sorry. Okay, let's go. 193rd country, South Africa. In isiZulu, unkulunkulu. Akubusis ingempilo inempilo ingekebo ninja bulo kuze kube phakare. 194th country, South Africa. In Isigxhosa. Utikso Makakuksi Kelelengo Bomi Obusem piloveni, obultei binolonba bolongona pha kade. Great. Yes. 195th country, South Africa. In Sesotho, Moli Moa Ohlo Holofatse Cabo Pelo Bobotle Maruole Taboka Hosa Faleng. Again, 195th country, South Africa. In Sesotho, Molimao Eo Holohonolofatseka Bofelo Botle Maruo Le Thabo Kaho Sa Feeling. Yes, I've completed 195th country total and said, God bless you. Have healthy, wealthy, happy life forever. God bless you. Have a healthy, wealthy life forever. Yes, thank you very much. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. God bless you. Thank you very much. All the best.